In this video, I'll be talking about how to set the camera's exposure to get the best image. Hey, this is your boy Sig Ribocchio, aka The Unstoppable. I run a Facebook group called Video Academy for Entrepreneurs where I teach and explain how to create video the easy way. No fluffs. So if you don't know where to start because you're too busy with your business, I'd like you guys to join the group. The exposure is a term we use to determine how dark or bright the image will be captured by the camera. If the image is too dark, we call it underexposed. If the image is too bright, we call it overexposed or blown out. So here, I would like to show you the 3 key parameters to set your exposure. These are also the dials that you're going to have to deal with a lot when recording videos. The f-stop, shutter speed, and ISO. In this camera, you can find the f-stop dial here, the shutter speed here, and the ISO here. The indicators on the LCD screen of the f-stop is here, as denoted with an F followed by a number. The shutter speed is the 1/250, so the number on the bottom is going to vary when you turn the shutter speed dial. The ISO is the number here. Anytime a change is made to one of these, both or the other one must be adjusted to keep the same exposure. Let me show you an example. Here, I have a 1/250 shutter speed, f-stop of 10, ISO 1/250. Now, let's say I want to adjust the f-stop because I want to blur the background for creative purposes. So, I will set it to f4.5. Now, we see that the image is overexposed. It is overexposed because the face of the dog is too bright. What happens if the image is too bright? You can lose the details in the object. The popular term for this is what we call a blown out image. So now we will adjust the ISO and see if we can get the same exposure. Okay, so I ended up with ISO 320 to get the same exposure. Now let's try adjusting the shutter speed to 1/60 this time. Now you see that the image is overexposed again. You'll find that ISO have reached its minimum limit already, so we are left with the f-stop settings. So I'm gonna go and adjust the f-stop until I get the same exposure. Okay, so now I was able to get the same exposure if I get the f-stop to f10. Okay, I just demonstrated the 3 key parameters for setting the exposure. Remember, the goal is not to overexpose or underexpose the subject, especially the subject. You don't want to have a blown out face, right? So you want to make sure you have the exposure dialed in right in the middle. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to download a free PDF of the gears I recommend for a video something like this, the sound, lighting, quality of the camera, it's in that PDF. Check out the link below, and once you sign up, you'll get that PDF instantly. If this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I definitely have a lot to share, and you don't want to miss it. Question of the day: click funnels or lead pages? A lot of shares, so you don't want to miss it.